Recording is on.
So can you see my screen now? Okay, so the number one assignment, speak a team now. So say fintech, mobile app team. Fintech mobile app team. That's the name of the team that you are picking, the product team that you are what's it called requesting documents for. So then you need to tell us a brief description. The team builds mobile application for sending money from Europe to Africa. Africa as well as airtime support. Applications, okay. So, Africa. So what's the next thing now? The tools and the process inventory. This is number one. Tools and process inventory now. Which states that you should mention like six tools. So you can just in this case you can tabulate if you want. I like to tabulate. Let me insert table tools. So you we have three rows. One will be tools, how they are used, no, what it is used for, what it is used for, and how it is used. So now we've talked about Jira. Let me say Jira is used for tasks and sprint management. Then we can look at how it is being used now. Uh, you can use track tags, user stories, bugs, and sprint progress. So I've given us Jira already. Do you want me to give you another example? Silent means no. Am I right? Okay, silent means no. We are okay with one example. All right, let's move on. What's the third one now? The pain points. Know that the pain points here are operational challenges. So, what operational challenges can we get from here? We can say, okay, products, documentations, ideas, designs, design, are spread, are spread across different tools, making information hard to get. So this can be an example of our product operations. We have as many as possible. This can be an example. This can also be like customers feedback alone. So we can get all of these things. We just think about it. It can be inconsistencies in the processes across the teams. It can be communication issues across functional team. So now, what are the product initiatives, things that you will do, the improvements now, which is number 4. Product, products, operations initiative now, ops, initiatives, like how you can make things better for these three things that you have listed in the initiatives. So how can you make things better now? So for the documents, so you can create shared documentation template. Documentation templates for PRD now. So it's gonna be like you create a shared documentation template for PRD so that if you have a shared template for PRD, it makes what's it called informations easier to get. Sorry, this is caps lock. Create shared documentation and other documents. So that's one thing you can do. So now, how do you measure success now? Your success metrics, which is the last one, number five, success metric. So how do you measure your success now? Let's think about it. For that number one now, to measure success would be how team can easily fetch document, how fast the team can easily fetch document. That's amounting to, that is the time saved. Is the time saved. So that's going to be like the time saved to locate documents, which will be faster. So yeah, that's just it. That's how you go about the assignments. Any question? Do you understand now with this example I've given? What do we name this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, products operations. Oh, praise. All right, thank you. So yeah, that's just it. We don't need the template now. All right, let me know if you have any questions related to what we're going about this. So yeah, you can look.
When are the assignment, ma'am?
You said?
When are we submitting the assignment?
Mm, 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 mm. Are we able to submit it tomorrow? Can we? If yes, then we can do tomorrow. If no, then we can do next week. But the previous assignment of yesterday, have we been able to do it, sir?
My that assignment, maybe is the one that you gave us for the class exercise on Tuesday.
Exactly.
Okay. I'm not like totally done with it. Still have some things to add.
Hmm. Okay. Let's. I'm looking forward to copy this. So that. And let's work on the one I gave us on. Okay, I've done. And you know what? Let's work on the one I gave us on Tuesday so that we'll treat it tomorrow, please. Then this one, let's submit it on Friday.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Sorry, on Monday.
Okay, ma.
So we'll look at the other one. Please, let's ensure that we'll look at the other one tomorrow. So let's bring the other one. Try to. So I want to copy this assignment. Well, has anyone copied it and put it to the on the group? Let me
No,
even
ma.
you know what? Let me share the slide. It's on the slide, so it's better that way.
Okay.
Let me share the slide now. This is better. Myself. Yeah. So that's for the slide. So yeah, I know I'm owing us recordings of Monday, Tuesday, no Monday, Wednesday, and today. Yeah, I will ensure I send that over today to the group chat so that we can use. So any other question before we call it a day? Anything from anyone?
No,
All right. Thanks all for joining. Please do well to reach out to your accountability partner. Has anyone heard from police agent?
no.
Okay. All right, no problem. Well, I'll also try and see if I can communicate with her. All right. Thanks, everyone. And do enjoy the
Thank
rest of
you.
the day. You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.